up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 91 of Build the Legendary Cyborg ROBOCOP from our good old friends over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab one of these yourself and build this 1/3 scale replica, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can be building one of these with me. Right, let's have a quick scoot through this week's magazine. You've got the history of ROBOCOP there, a brave man dressed in black. This is the concept art for the reboot of the film. Do like the artwork, actually. I like the bike as well. This was what was left in the closet. Just give you some ideas on where they wanted to go with it and why they decided to reboot the movie franchise, folks. Today we're going to be building the back panel. So we've got the upper back panel that we had left over previously. We're going to need that. And we're going to need ROBOCOP himself as well, folks, so that we can attach this to his back, okay? Nice simple instructions to follow, as you can see. Back panel going in place, around the battery box, secured in place with 4 EP screws. Okay, and that's what we're going to have on our ROBOCOPs at the end of the day. You've then got the Hulk there, which is the 100 years of robots, showing you how it works, LiDAR sensors and things like that. How that technology is taken off in the last few years, isn't it, folks? This is cutting edge technology with talking robots. All the different information there on robot words, etc. This is the Sophia robot, synchronizes its voice synthesis with facial gestures. Really are becoming quite advanced now. So yeah, I love this technology, I must admit. So that's the magazine done. So we'll grab our components, we'll assemble the 2 back panels, and then we'll be bringing ROBOCOP in to add this to his back, okay? Alright, let's grab the EM screws and get them in situ. Let's get that screwdriver bit, I think is the one. Let's just have a quick check. And we'll grab a bit of oil there. Like so. So that's what we want. And we want to join, this is from the previous issue, and this is today's part, okay, the framework of his back panel, okay. So we want to put these 3 lugs in like so, and then screw this together, folks, okay. I'll just put the first screw in. Can fully home that one. And then it just leaves us these 2. Pop that in place. And rest that on my knuckle. It's surprising how much weight is in these little panels, and ROBOCOP himself is beginning to weigh quite a bit. Grab that, a little bit of oil on that screw, let it run round the thread, and then do the same there. Now there will be other panels going over the top of this to conceal the battery compartment. Later on in the build series they magnetise, I've just spotted the magnets there. So that's that done. I'll just check the size of the heads on those. Yeah, that looks like they'll work. There you go. A little bit of oil on in anticipation. And then we'll bring ROBOCOP in. Right. So we want to get that in the correct sequence. we've got that little button to make sure we get in place. So if we bring RoboCop in, and then we can lay this in place, it's going on these 4 posts basically. And then we want that. Come up in there. Somewhat like that.
Dead or alive, you are coming with me.
Shut up. And then we can put the first screw in. Let's try get that screw in that corner. A little bit fiddly this stage. Getting these posts lined up. But persevere. A little bit of oil on there. You might want to do what I did. I took my batteries out because every time I moved this, he started shouting at me. Made me jump when it first happened. There you go. And what I did, I used a paper clip just to line the holes up with the pegs. Get that in place. Now that it's in, button will work quite nicely. Now I can put my batteries back. Like that.
Serve the public trust, protect the innocent, uphold the law.
So that's that done, folks. That's what we're going to end up with at the end of this issue, folks. RoboCop there now with his back panel in. As you can see, he's got his switch button in place.
Thank you for your cooperation. Good night.
Yeah. Okay, folks, we're going to leave it there. Don't forget, if you'd like to grab one of these yourself and build along with me, head over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building this iconic masterpiece. In the meantime, to help me out, if you can click little fester in the corner and subscribe to the channel, helps keep the channel alive and keeps it growing, folks. Ring the bell whilst you're there and select all. That way you'll get notified of upcoming content. Thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.